talking about the Tupperware microwave pressure cooker. So this pressure cooker combines the traditional methods of using a pressure cooker with a new, efficient, and convenient way of modern cooking in the microwave. It's designed to provide quick and easy cooking solutions without sacrificing flavor. This microwave pressure cooker will fast become your go-to for cooking nutrient-rich stews, soups, and casseroles, as well as fresh and frozen fruits, vegetables, meats, and fish. So this pressure cooker is a 2-quart or 2-liter max capacity, and it comes in this beautiful apricot or Bordeaux wine type color right now, and I love it, especially for fall and winter. It does have a limited lifetime warranty on the microwave pressure cooker, and does not cover any of the silicone parts. So just to go over a little bit more with you, so the pressure indicator, which is this little orange knob right here, and I'll give you a little view of that quickly. So you can see that orange knob there. So this is the pressurized indicator. The indicator rises up when the system is fully pressurized and will drop down when there's absolutely no pressure left in the cooker, and you can then remove the lid and start eating the meal or serving the food. So I'm going to turn you down just a little bit here to show you some of the features. So this is the Tupperware pressure cooker, and unlike some of the other products that are on the market that are very similar to it, what's really great about this and the safety features that are included are that, for instance, this actually goes straight into your microwave, which creates another box, a level of security where this item is less likely to explode. I know that's a scary word to say, but pressurized items do have a tendency to do that, but we've never had a problem with the Tupperware pressure cooker before, ever. And what's great about this is there's a couple different safety measures. The first one, you'll notice on the lid that there's this little highlighted arrow here, and that matches a highlighted arrow that is on your handle here. So those two items need to be matched up in order for the lid to lock into place. You simply turn and the lid is locked in. It's not moving anywhere. And as a double feature to really ensure that this lid is locked into place, it comes with this really great handle here that locks into place there, or pops open when you're ready to serve. But once this is locked, this lid will not turn out of place. It is locked in there nice and sturdy. On top of that, we've already gone over the pressurized valve, but you will notice that there is, on this side here, it'll be kind of hard to see, but there is a small hole right there, and that is a secondary pressurized release. So if it does get over pressurized in here, this will automatically depressurize it if something else goes wrong in the system. You will also notice this valve here. It's like a silicone plug, and that is where all the steam gets released out of there. So say you've cooked something all ready to go, the valve is back down, it's easy to start serving. You simply want to unlock this lid, twist the lid off, and always, always, always lift the lid away from you, simply because you do not want to give yourself a facial with the amount of steam and heat that would be coming off of this. So now that you've gotten a kind of a rundown of the pressure cooker, let's get into the recipe. So today I'm making my family's kind of Swedish type meatballs, sweet and sour type meatballs. And simply for this, all you have to do is take, you can make fresh ones if you want. I'm just using the boxed frozen kind from M&M's here. And all you need to do is take half a bag of this, of your meatballs. Open it here. And I'm doing mine straight from frozen. There you go. Then what you're going to do is take an entire jar of chili sauce. This can be any brand you'd like. You're going to just dump the entire jar in. You're going to take a 1/4 cup of grape jelly. You're going to take a tablespoon of minced garlic. and about 6 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. You're going to take your lid, once again match up those arrows, turn it to its locking, put down the lid and wait for the click, and then you're ready to go. We're going to pop this in the microwave for 15 minutes and I'll see you on the other side. So I just pulled it out of the microwave. You can kind of hear it hissing at this point. And you can notice that that little knob is up, so it is fully pressurized. So we're going to let it sit until that depressurizes and we'll come back after. Okay, so as you can see, the little knob went back down. So now what we're going to do is unlock it. And then we're gonna want to, like I mentioned, twist it open and open it away from your face. Looks good. I'm just gonna grab a spoon here, mix up the sauce. And then you can just serve it over a nice bed of rice or with some vegetables. And there we have it.